Weather plays a significant role in our daily lives, influencing our plans and activities. To understand the weather in a better way, let's learn how to make a thermometer and explore the science behind its operation. This hands-on activity will help us grasp how temperature is measured.
Hello everyone, today we will be doing a fun little activity. In this structure, we can see that one end of this tube is immersed in the colored water inside the vial, while its other end is released into the atmosphere. The pressure inside the vial and the air pressure outside the vial is equal. However, when I enclose the vial inside the palm of my hand, my body heat is conducted to the glass. And from the glass, the heat is conducted to the water inside the vial. From the water, it is conducted to the air, and on receiving the heat, the air inside the vial expands. When the air expands, the air pressure inside the vial increases. And on increasing, the air produces a thrust on the walls of the vial and also on the surface of the liquid. And therefore, the liquid gets forced inside the tube and therefore it rises within the tube. After the water has risen, in order to bring it down, we need to lower the temperature. In order to do that, I am going to immerse the vial in a bowl of cold water. We can see that the water comes down the tube way faster than it had risen up the tube. This is because of two reasons. The first one being gravity. When the water came down the tube, it did so in the direction of gravity. Therefore, the speed was much more than when it was rising up. The second reason is that when I had enclosed the vial within my palm, my hand could not cover the entire surface area of the wall of the vial. However, when the vial was immersed in the cold water came in contact with the entire surface area of the wall of the vial. An increase in surface area in contact of the two different substances conducts more heat in shorter time, and hence it also leads to the water coming down the tube faster. As you can see here, the water can rise in the tube even by receiving the heat of the sun. Now, let us know the difference between heat and temperature. Temperature is a measure of how hot or cold something is, whereas heat is the energy that flows from something hot to something cold because of the temperature difference. When two objects of different temperatures come in contact, heat will be exchanged between them, and through this exchange of heat, the objects will reach thermal equilibrium. From this experiment, we can conclude that heat is conducted from one body to another due to a difference in their temperatures, and we can also measure our body temperature with proper scaling of this tube, as we do in a thermometer. This is the principle of the working of a thermometer. However, in the closed tube of a thermometer, there is very little liquid and air is confined in a narrow tube. In this case, the expansion of the liquid is used to measure the body's temperature.
Hope you all enjoyed this video and thank you for watching.